Okay, this is the tram here. Having left Alicante about 5 minutes ago, it's on the way to Benidorm. Look at the mud. It's been laid down over a long period of time. Different stratum of mud formation. Oh my goodness. Sangieta. This is the station. Sangieta. Sangieta. Oh my goodness. They had to cut away all this rock and mud and what have you to make the platform. Oh my goodness. It's what the earth has pushed up over millions of years. Here. Quite incredible. And there's the, over here to the right, to the Mediterranean Sea. See over there, Mediterranean. See over there. Here it is, Mediterranean Sea. Let's come back round. Turn to a tunnel here right now. Okay, over and out.